Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding text at different times to your TikTok videos. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Record your video like normal and hit the tick button. Click on the text option, which is the AA button at the bottom of the screen. Now choose your text color and write whatever you want your text to be. You can press the A button to add a background color if you like. Hit Done when you are happy with your text. Now you can double tap the text to edit it if you need to. But to change the timing of the text, you want to just tap it once. Now press Set Duration. Now simply drag the edges of the red bar to where you want your text to begin and end within the clip. In the preview, you can see that the text starts a few seconds after the start of the clip. You can now repeat the previous steps to add more text at other points in the video. I will add this text at the end of the video. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.